Across the nation, from New Jersey to California, mysterious drones have been appearing in our skies, unsettling communities and raising questions no one seems able to answer. Who is controlling these high-tech machines? What's their purpose? And why are they appearing near sensitive locations like military bases and former President Trump's property? The quiet hum of a suburban night is broken by an unexpected presence. Over the rooftops of New Jersey, glowing drones appear, casting an eerie light that sends shivers through the hearts of residents. For nearly a month now, the skies have been alive with mystery as swarms of unidentified drones sweep over homes, businesses, and even military bases, leaving authorities and locals scrambling for answers.
I look to my left and I see two big drones. They were propeller-driven, going very slowly.
Are you telling me that in America, somebody can start flying drones and we have no clue what's going on?
These sightings are not isolated incidents. Reports have poured in from at least 10 counties across New Jersey, prompting an unprecedented meeting of over 100 mayors and state representatives. The urgency is palpable as officials discuss the implications of these unexplained appearances. Assemblywoman Aura K. Fantasia captures the growing anxiety. These drones are massive, some up to 6 feet in diameter, and they've been appearing every night since November 18th. Yet, we still have no answers. The situation has escalated with reports of unauthorized drone incursions over Picatinny Arsenal, a critical military weapons development center. The arsenal, located near former President Trump's Bedminster Golf Club, has raised concerns about potential national security risks. A map of New Jersey, marked with flashing indicators of drone sightings, paints a chilling picture of the scale of this phenomenon. Theories abound. Some speculate foreign interference, pointing fingers at sophisticated overseas operations. Others suggest it's a high-tech local prank. One New Jersey congressman even floated the idea of an Iranian mothership launching drones, a claim swiftly debunked by the Pentagon.
There's no so-called mothership launching drones towards the United States.
As speculation mounts, local police have begun deploying their own drones to track the mysterious invaders. But so far, their efforts have been in vain. The rogue drones seem to vanish into the night, leaving no trace behind. Meanwhile, the mystery has traveled west. New sightings in California have added to the nationwide intrigue. Residents there are equally unsettled, capturing shocking footage of massive drones, some reportedly the size of cars, hovering ominously over neighborhoods.
There's so many. It's like 10. They're all over the city.
Authorities in California, including the Riverside County Sheriff's Department and Camp Pendleton, have denied any involvement, adding to the growing enigma. One witness, armed with a flight tracking app, confirmed there were no authorized aircraft in the area at the time of the sightings. The skies seemed to be hosting a secret known to none. Across the country, the pattern repeats. Since last month, over 3,000 drone sightings have been reported, many near sensitive locations like military installations and Trump's Bedminster Golf Club. In response, the FAA has issued temporary flight restrictions, warning residents that shooting down drones is both illegal and dangerous. They urge vigilance but caution against taking matters into one's own hands. In Cape Cod, Massachusetts, the mystery deepens. Silent, bright drones have been spotted by residents and police officers alike. Even law enforcement is baffled.
I woke up this morning to the posts of everybody saying, look there's drones on Cape Cod. I'm like, now I know it was a drone. I'm not crazy.
The Harwich police chief reported that one of his officers saw multiple bright white drones around 6 p.m. one evening. The drones were eerily silent, hovering in the sky without a sound. Despite FBI investigations, no answers have been forthcoming. A joint statement from authorities claims there is no evidence the drones pose a threat to national security or public safety. But the lack of clear answers only fuels public speculation. President-elect Donald Trump's comment added fuel to the fire. Mystery drone sightings all over the country. Can this really be happening without our government's knowledge? I don't think so. Let the public know or shoot them down. The concerns are echoed by lawmakers. In New Jersey, Representative Jeff Van Drew has called for decisive action, even suggesting the drones be shot down. He has speculated that Iran, with potential assistance from China, might be behind the technology. These claims, however, have been firmly denied by the Department of Defense. The frustration among local officials is palpable. At a closed-door meeting held by New Jersey State Police, participants voiced their concerns over the lack of clear explanations. Governor Phil Murphy assured the public that there's no known threat to safety. Still, Congressman Van Drew remains dissatisfied, writing a letter to President Biden demanding immediate action, including enhanced flight restrictions and the potential neutralization of these drones. Some skeptics argue that these drones might not be as mysterious as they appear. Could they be advanced commercial drones operated by private companies conducting unauthorized tests, or perhaps they're experimental government technology that has yet to be disclosed to the public? The lack of transparency from both private entities and federal agencies has left a void filled by wild speculation and conspiracy theories. Adding to the intrigue are the technical capabilities of these drones. Reports suggest they can hover silently for extended periods, perform precise maneuvers, and even evade tracking by other drones. This level of sophistication hints at a technology far beyond the reach of casual hobbyists. Yet, without concrete evidence or admissions, the true nature of these drones remains shrouded in mystery. Meanwhile, public interest continues to grow. Social media platforms are awash with videos, photos, and first-hand accounts of drone sightings. Hashtags like mystery drones and Skywatch are trending, with amateur sleuths and aviation enthusiasts analyzing every new piece of footage for clues. Some have even formed online communities dedicated to uncovering the truth, sharing theories that range from the plausible to the fanatical. One recurring theory is the involvement of foreign governments. While the Pentagon has denied evidence of foreign interference, the timing and locations of the sightings, many near critical infrastructure, have raised eyebrows. If these drones are indeed the work of a foreign entity, what might their purpose be? Surveillance, testing U.S. airspace defenses, or something else entirely? Another possibility is that these drones are part of a covert domestic operation. Could they be the product of private defense contractors conducting unannounced tests? Or perhaps they're linked to classified military projects? The lack of official acknowledgement only adds to the mystery, leaving the public to wonder if the truth is being deliberately withheld. As the days turn into weeks, the mystery shows no signs of abating. Reports of new sightings continue to flood in, each one adding another layer to an already complex puzzle. Residents in affected areas are growing increasingly anxious, with some even organizing neighborhood watch groups to monitor the skies. The atmosphere is one of both fascination and fear as people grapple with the unknown. Despite the assurances from authorities that there's no immediate threat to public safety, the lack of clear answers has left many feeling uneasy. What if these drones are a prelude to something larger? Could they be testing the limits of public patience and governmental response? Or are they simply an unexplained phenomenon that will fade away as suddenly as it began? In the absence of definitive answers, one thing is certain. These mysterious drones have captured the nation's attention. They've sparked debates about privacy, security, and the limits of modern technology. They've brought together communities and divided opinions. And they've reminded us all of how much we have yet to understand about the skies above us. As we close, we ask you, the viewers, what do you think is happening in our skies? Are these drones a harmless anomaly or something more sinister? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for updates as we continue to unravel this aerial enigma. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and stay curious.